In this tech tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get people to fill out a survey and do it through an email while making their life really easy with just one click of a button. So I'm going to share my screen and show you how it's done. Before I do, it's important for you to understand why would you even want to do that. There is different ways to survey your audience. You can give them a type form, Google form. You can give them different video ask, like a video type survey, and many other ways you can actually collect information. There's different software tools for surveys. However, in some cases, it might come across a little bit impersonal. Maybe it's just a bit of an extra step. They have to enter their email, their name, things along these lines. It could be a little bit complicated. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to do that really easy through an email. So you're going to go to this website, mail2link.me. You can also just search email generator link. And there's also a bunch of other options as well. You could click on any of them and it might work as well. However, in this case, I found this one to be pretty good. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put your own email address. In my case, contact@eranbukai.com. Put the email address. So survey about why you didn't buy. Let's just say, right? And then, hey, John, please answer the questions, or because it's going to be, hey there, please answer the questions below to give me some indication on why you decided to not join my membership. I would greatly appreciate your feedback, and if you don't mind spending a few minutes, that'd be great. I mean, like that, okay? Now, what you want to do is you're going to then put question 1 and then give them some space, question, 3, question, and so on. And then what you want to do is you'll see here copy code. This is now a link that you can put in a button. So I've done that in this case where I'm basically asking people for feedback about the challenge, basically. And I wrote the email for them as if they're emailing me. Hey, Eran, I went to the challenge and below are the answers to your questions. What did you like about the challenge? And then they can answer below what they didn't like, what temporary resources is missing, and so on and so forth. And when this is copied, I can now put it inside a button on whatever software that I'm using. So in my case, what I did is I grabbed that link and then I put it inside this button right here, which is what you see here. Now, the way you would do that, depending on whatever software you're using, I'm using System.io, but let's say you click on adding the button, click here on the button, make it so it opens a URL, then you would put the URL right here, and then you're going to make it open in a new window. Now that because I already have that particular button set up, I'm going to show you what that actually looks like when somebody goes through this process. So I'm going to preview this lecture, and you'll notice that this is basically a lesson in a course, which is my affiliate marketing 5-day challenge, where somebody comes here and they get to this final lesson, and I say, I would greatly appreciate your honest feedback. Please email me the answers to a few questions. And then they click here. Now, let me show you what happens when they quote unquote click here. So what does that actually mean? So when they click like so, it automatically opens in their Gmail, and you can see that it gets sent to me. And they're going to write, hey, Eran, I went through the challenge, and below my answers. What did you like about the challenge? What did you not like about the challenge? Is there a template or resource? And so on and so forth. You can put whatever questions you want. That's all customizable, as I shown you earlier. But that's the actual end result, which is just a great way to survey people. And I started receiving replies from people, and it was just really easy for them to respond, I think. And it was really easy for me to receive it. And it just made the whole process so much seamless. And that's why I wanted to record this tutorial to show you how to do it. If you found value in this video, please comment the word value. And let me know if you made use of this in your own business. I'd love to hear about it. That's about it. Thanks a lot for watching. Speak to you soon.